Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on the number line. The number line is a very important topic at all levels of mathematics. Students will use it in one way or another during their schooling journey. Kindergarten students need to know that the number line is one visual way of showing numbers. Also, they will learn how it can be used to perform various calculations. Here are some basic exercises. The first one, draw a red dot to show the position of 4 on the above number line. Draw a blue dot to show the position of 8 on the above number line. Draw a yellow dot to show the position of 1 on the above number line. And draw a green dot to show the position of 10 on the above number line. And the answers are on the next slide. So here we are. They are the answers there, and they are the 4 coloured dots. We can use the above number line to calculate simple addition sums. So this is very, very important, and with some very good teaching, the students will definitely understand this because it's quite visual and it's easy to see what's happening. Let's look at the first example, 2 plus 1. That means we're adding 2 and 1 together. Teach the students that when they see the first number, they put their pencil or their finger on 2. The next number is plus 1. So this sign is a plus sign. Now you can mention to the students, it's very, very important for them to understand that when they see a plus sign, they move to the right on the number line. So it's very, very important. Each time they see this plus sign, they just move to the right. Now here's what we do. So once again, we put our pencil on 2. We have plus 1, so we move 1 place to the right, and the answer is 3. The next one is 3 plus 2. So 3 is the first number. We put our pencil or finger on 3. Then we have plus 2. So we move 1, 2 places to the right, and the answer is plus 5. And the same for this one. When we have 3 numbers, the process is the same. 1 plus 2 plus 3. So we put our pencil on 1. Now plus 2 tells us we move 2 places to the right, and plus 3 tells us we move 3 places to the right. 1, 2, 3. We've landed on 6, so 1 plus 2 plus 3 equals 6, and that's the answer, and it's the same process for those two. The above number line can also be used to perform simple subtraction or takeaway with given number sentences. Now here we notice this sign here, which is the minus sign or the takeaway or the subtraction sign. We can impress upon students when they see the subtraction sign on the number line, we have to move to the left. So let's see how we do this sum. 3 minus 2, or 3 take away 2. We put our pencil on the 3. Since it's minus 2, we move 2 places to the left, so the answer is 1. 5 take away 3. We put our finger on the 5. Since we have minus 3, 1, 2, 3 places to the left, so the answer is 2. So that answer there is 2. We can also use the number line to solve number sentences which have a combination of both addition and subtraction. Now this is a little bit of extension work for kindergarten, but I'm sure they will understand it with the proper teaching, and I'm sure you can help them to understand what's going on here. Let's look at the first example. 2 plus 3 minus 1, or 2 plus 3 take away 1. Same trick, we put our finger or pencil on 2. We see plus 3, so we move 1, 2, 3 places to the right. Then we see minus 1, we move 1 place to the left, so the answer is 4. And you do the same process for these ones here. So this video has introduced the number line, And we've seen how we can do simple calculations using the number line to help us.